We're trying to get status. We got a Honduran here. We're trying to get status. That's fine. What's his name?
1, 2. I'm gonna break it. Open the door. Open it. Last warning. He's going the other way. He's going the other way. Open the door. Hey, go one way or the other. Don't go back. Everybody step back! Step back! Step back! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! What the fuck did he do to you? Stay back! What did he do to you? Coward! Do not put your vehicle in here! I'm not resisting! I'm not resisting! I'm not resisting! Hey, I'm not resisting! I'm not resisting! What the fuck do I didn't do anything? I'm not resisting! Nobody did! I'm not resisting! Cowards are here! Back up! I'm not resisting! You're not doing shit! Leave him alone! Put your arm behind your back. Hey, my girlfriend's right behind you. Give us a phone number. My girlfriend's right behind me. Once you go and get him in, let's get him into Victor 3, okay? I'm going to Victor 3. That's what they said. Victor 3. Give him a good pat down. Once you get him up, give him a good pat down. Put him in the vehicle. You do what? All right, we're grabbing you. Pick up his leg. Back up, you guys. Stay back. Don't say none. Don't say none. Don't let me fucking play, you guys. You guys need to back up. Move the shit. Move the shit. Move the back.